Good evening po and congratulations. My first question po would be for Miss Nadine. Miss Nadine, trending po yung trailer nyo. So I would just like to ask, can you share how similar or different are you with your character, Nicole? And the scene po with Sir Aga, was that awkward to shoot? Knowing po yung batuhan nyo ng lines is parang may malice from Sir Aga's side po.
Oh, okay. Talking about that certain scene, that teaser that we saw a while ago. Ladies first?
I guess I would start with the similarities. Medyo mahirap kasi sobrang polar opposites kami ni Nicole. So I think si Nicole kasi parang sobrang extreme siya na parang mayaman. Tapos, alam mo yun, lahat ng vices ginagawa niya. And then in a way parang may hatred siya towards her dad. And kung ano man yung nangyayari dun sa mundo niya. Ako naman, ano lang ako, chill lang naman ako. I'm okay with everything. Also, my relationship with my dad is not exactly the same. Pero ang similarity namin siguro ni Nicole, I would say, is parehas kaming palaban. And that scene actually was really funny kasi every time after ng eksena, naalala ko merong mga adlibs si Kuya Aga na, as in paglabas ko ng pintuan after the scene, tawa ako ng tawa. I don't know if it's gonna be in the scene or in the film, pero iba yung pakiramdam na maka-eksena ko si Kuya Aga. Medyo, hindi naman siya awkward. Parang I think if ever, if anything, mas natuwa ako na itawid namin yung eksena ng ganun.